In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise to Xero. We'll set up your Wise account inside Xero so you can track and reconcile activities smoothly. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the top navigation. Open the accounting menu, then choose bank accounts. This is where all your cash accounts live and where you'll add Wise as a separate bank account for clean reporting and reconciliation. Next, click Add Bank Account. Xero will offer a search for live bank feeds, but for this walkthrough, we're going to add the account without a bank feed. Select Add Without Bank Feed. This approach is great if you plan to import Wise statements manually or if you're organizing multiple currency balances from Wise into Xero. Go ahead and click. Continue to move forward. You'll now see the form to add account details. Click Add Account Details to open the fields you need. In the bank name field, type Wise so it's clear what this account represents. For the account name, choose something you and your team will recognize at a glance. Many businesses use a naming convention like Wise USD or Wise EUR to match the specific currency balance, which helps when you have more than one Wise currency. Now choose the account type. In most cases, Wise should be set up as a bank account in Xero, since it functions like a cash account you use to send, receive, and hold funds. Selecting the right type helps Xero present the correct reconciliation tools later. Next, select the currency. This is crucial. Make sure the currency in Xero matches the specific Wise balance you're creating. If you manage multiple currencies in Wise, you'll typically create one Xero bank account per currency so exchange gains and losses, bank rules, and reconciliations stay accurate. Double check this before you proceed to avoid rework. Once the name, type, and currency look good, click Add. Xero will create the Wise account in your bank accounts list. From here, you can start reconciling by importing bank statements exported from Wise, or if available in your region and plan, you can explore enabling a direct bank feed later. The important part is that you now have a clean, dedicated ledger for Wise, which keeps multi-currency transactions organized and your cash position clear. Before you finish, consider adding a short internal note or documentation for your team about how you'll import statements and which Wise balance maps to which Xero account. Consistency makes month-end reconciling much faster. That's it. You've added Wise to Xero and you're ready to keep your books tidy and up to date.